Alright guys, first cold start of the season. Let's see if we can get this thing started. I got a battery jumper on it. So, here's hoping this works. Who knows? Amazing! There she is. With a little bit of help, she turned over. Amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, LS1. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It started, it's running, it spent the winter in there, it's springtime. And this thing needs a wash. Very bad. Very, very bad. It needs a wash. Holy goodness. Well, it beats being outside all winter. That much is certain. I'm happy. I'm happy to see it. I'm happy it survived in here without, you know, without too many issues with mice or whatever. Yeah, doesn't look like I've leaked anything major in here. That's cool. All right, there it is, boys. Amazing, it's running. I love it. All right, that's first into second. Into third. Fourth. And fifth.